phoning home.
Kate, it's so good to hear from you. Are you okay?
Oh, Mum, I'm really sorry for worrying you so much. I really didn't mean to.
We opened our emails and we were so delighted to see all your photos, and then we saw that one.
I didn't want my friends to post it on Facebook. I asked them not to.
But Kate, all that blood. And you went to hospital. We couldn't help feeling worried.
I know, but honestly, Mum, my friends made me go to the hospital. I really didn't need to.
How is your head now?
Absolutely fine, honestly. I'll email you some more photos and you can see for yourself.
OK. Don't forget to.
I'll call again soon, and I promise to text regularly. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Spoken English. 1.
Did you post my letter?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to.
2.
I can't go out with you this evening. Sorry.
Oh, but you promised to.
3.
Why did you email your mother again?
Because she asked me to.
4.
Do you think you'll apply for that job?
Yes, I've definitely decided to.
5.
Are you taking your brother to the airport?
Well, I offered to, but he said he didn't want me to.
Good morning. Where are you flying to?
Dubai.
And how many bags do you want to check in?
Just this one.
Fine. Put it on the scales, please. Oh, dear.
What's the matter?
I'm afraid it's overweight. It's nearly 30 kilos, and you're only allowed 23.
What can I do?
Well, you can pay for excess baggage. The rate is, £18.75. That's $37 per kilo.
So, 7 times £18.75, that's,
That's £131.25 or $259.
goodness, that's a fortune. But I'll just have to pay it.
OK. And just the one piece of hand luggage?
Yes, just this bag.
That's fine. Here's your boarding pass. You're boarding from gate 6 at 9:20. The gate will be open 45 minutes before the flight. Have a good journey.
Thank you.
Good morning, Transport Direct. Can I help you?
Oh, yes. I was trying to book rail tickets online and it didn't work.
That's okay. Where and when do you want to travel?
I want to go from London King's Cross to Edinburgh on the 13th of March.
March the 30th?
No, March the 13th. I want to go on the 13th and return on the 30th.
OK. The 13th to the 30th. So you want a return ticket. And do you want to travel in the morning or the afternoon?
Well, I want to travel up mid-morning if possible, but I'd like to come back on an evening train.
Right. There's a train at 10:30 a.m. It arrives in Edinburgh at 14:53.
Sounds good. And returning?
For the return, there's one at 1900, arrives back in London just after midnight.
Is there an earlier one?
There's the 17:30. It arrives back in London at 22:28.
That sounds perfect. I'll go for that. How much is that?
It's a saver return, so that's £98.20. Is that okay?
Fine.
Can you give me your credit card details?
Yes, it's a Visa card. The name on the card is Mr. K. Farnham. The number is 0494 7865 4562 1320.
The expiry date?
0512.
And your address?
15 Kingston Road.
Did you say 50?
No, 15. 15 Kingston Road.